Hello, today I'm going to help you change the forget password in Instagram. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. I have Instagram open right now, and what we're going to do is just put your username or email associated with the account and then click get help with logging in. It's going to ask you to either confirm this is your email or phone number or username, and then once you do, you can click next. Now, what we want to do is actually change the password. It's asking you to recover your account. You can either use your phone number or your email. We're gonna use the email, and it's going to send a number to your email that associated. That's just you put in. So you go to your email. You can click through and then get that. Now, either you can confirm and use this email and push confirm. It will send you an email to your account and you can reset your password that way. Or if you want, you can skip confirm phone number and then right here, you can go through and put in your email or new password. So you will reset then, and there's you can reset your password with the account. If you have any question on this or have any comments, let us know on the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.